Hi, I'm Ashley from Book of Wolves Anonymous, and this is another edition of In My Novel. Before I get started, I'll show you the freaking post awesome picture. It's called Dear Zombie. I know, right? Awesome. I love posters if you haven't noticed. But, anyway. The first book I got is Daughter of Smoke and Bones by Laini Taylor. Awesome. So yeah, this will be my next one I read. Or at least my current book. Okay. Depends on which one Kindle that I have to read. So yeah. I know that the book cover probably changed too, so what's that? Yeah. The next book I got is the best book in the Vladimir Tod. It's 12th Grade Show by Heather Brewer. I have all of them now, so I can read them. I think I've only read the first one. But yeah. I'm not for that. The next one I got is the second book in the Bad Girls Don't Die series, From Bad to Curse. It's by Katie Allendale, which I'm totally excited about, because the first one was awesome and kind of crazy. So to see what happens to Cora Lester. Next book I got is Passion by Lauren Kate. It's the third book in the Fallen series, and I thought this was the last book, but apparently there's a fourth one. It's Fracture. It doesn't have a book cover or anything yet, but I thought on Goodreads today. Yeah, I guess I'm not reading that until I have all of them. And that's okay. Just a little bit of it. Let's begin. And then the back. I got some shit. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I got some stuff to put on my wall. Completely ignore what I just said. The next book I got is Fight Club by Rachel King. It's the 18th book in the Morganville Vampire series. I have number 9, which I got signed last year when I went to signing. Then I have the first 2 lined up. They have 1 or 2 in written for. Crazy computer here. The next one I got is Wisdom Kiss by Catherine Gilbert Murdoch. Pretty cover, shiny. I think I have this one on my Kindle too. The next one I got is Song for Him by Michelle Ray. I haven't read any Shakespeare or anything, so it's got to be a little interesting. Let's cover this. The next one I got is Clean by Amy Reed, because one of my friends, Amy, told me it was really good, and I had it on my computer, and I never got to read it. So I got the book, and I also have her other books. I have one of her other books, which is Beautiful. So you can't take those from my shelf. The next one I got Book of Crows by Kate Bryan, and apparently this is a prequel to the Private series. So I like to cover this. Then I got Forever by Maggie Slaughter. This is the last book in the Wolves of Mercy Fall series. I read the first one when it first came out, like a few years ago. So I'm not too sure what happened. I forget what happened. So I'll probably reread it because it's small. And I need to get the hardback because my paperback is in horrible condition. The binding is like broke. Like it's horrible. So yeah. The next one I got is Want to Go Private by Sarah Whitman. This one sounds really good because I won't go into detail why. think it sounds good. But when I reread it, I'll probably post the review why it sounds good. And plus one of the books on my contemporary challenge, I think. I'm bad at remembering stuff. This is Afterlife by Claudia Gray. It is the fourth and final book in the Evernight series, which I read the first two books. I haven't read the third one. So I'm gonna just completely reread them because I don't remember a damn thing that happened in those two books. So yeah. Book 2, 3. Like 3 series I have to reread. Need to get going. Well, and the last book I got are the rest of the Black Dagger Brotherhood books. I have the last 4. So I needed the other ones, which I found all the days, each one of them, $5. So I got the first, yeah, the first other ones that I didn't have, $5 each. That's not awesome, because they're usually like what, anywhere from 9 to 12, 13, 14 bucks. Yeah. First one was actually a bind up. I didn't realize that, but I had the Darkflower and Liver Eternal, which is 1 and 2. And I even had to write myself a note because I would forget which I had it read. I hate doing that, but I had it read in bold. Which ones were 1 and 2. I got that, and I got Lover Awakened, Lover Revealed, and Lover Unbound. These are all really good books. Lots of really good things about them. And I'm not an adult, so I'm proud of myself. And like I said, I had all the others. I had one of these books. These have like their own special little place. I haven't touched it before. And I also have little guys. So for some reason, I haven't read the book. I have a lot of stuff. But I'm totally excited because I've read a lot of good things about them. That's what I got this week. And I'm doing this on Wednesday, so hopefully I won't get up this book before Sunday comes. And I was thinking maybe if you can tell me what's different in this video than all my other videos, if you have been watching the videos, tell me what's different besides my background. I don't really want to give you a hint, but yeah. Tell me something that looks different to you. And if you're the first one to guess, I might send you any books that you want from Amazon and from Amazon. Or books with Hobby Sword. Maybe just in the box. I don't know. We'll see. Because I don't see people actually watch these. Because I know some basic stuff. So yeah. And for those who do know, don't say nothing. Because there's a few of you that I talked to that know what happened or what changed. Anyway. So, and, yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know. And I will see you next week.